Hello, this is Mrs. Ringrose, and I was asked to help with number 14, so here we go. This is number 14 from our test review guide. So this is a word problem where I am asked to come up with the amount of food I'm allowed to purchase. And so there's a couple of things that I know. I know that my unknown is going to be the amount of food I can buy. So I get that from the last question. How much food can I buy? Then I know that there's two things I need to add to the food that I buy in order to come up with $100. So typically when I have a word problem, I try to start with the total because it's usually the easiest. Right here, I'm going to put X. I wonder if I can now start drawing. I don't know how that happened before. Anyway, so right here I'm going to put X, right, because I have to start with the food that I'm buying. Then to X, I want to add the sales tax of X. So the sales tax of X is going to be that 6.35 turned into a decimal. So typically this is how you would find out sales tax. If something costs $55 and you wanted to add sales tax to it, you would do 55 plus 0.0635 times 55. Right? So that's really what I'm doing right here is I'm taking the food that I don't know and I'm adding to it the sales tax. Then I'm going to do the same thing, but with the 15%. So again, if I went to the store and I bought, $60 worth of food, I would want to add to it 15% of $60. And if I throw that all in the calculator together, I should get 73. No, that's too much. 69. Because 15% of 60 is $9. And if I add $9 to 60, I get 69. So I hope this helped in setting up the equation. From there, I think the rest is on the study guide, that you solve. Because I have to add that up. So it's 1x. So I get 1.2135 equals 100. And then I divide both sides by that 1.2135. If there's another way that you can organize your work, but you get the same answer, that's okay too. I know that word problems can be difficult and there's multiple strategies. You just have to show me some evidence of your work. Okay, I hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions, let me know.